Let's get started. Jeffery Leving is the attorney for Elena's husband and a father's rights advocate. He joins me. Thanks for being with us. Elena clearly believes that the cancer played a big role in the custody battle in terms of the judge's decision. Your client doesn't believe that. What do you think was the factor?
Well, it's not what I think. I read the trial court's decision, and the judge specifically stated that this case is not about cancer. It is about custody of the children, what's in the best interest of the children, and relocation. This judge did not make a custody decision based on cancer.
But somebody can say, I'm not making this based on cancer, but then Elena's point is, well, she cited cancer 30 times.
Well, you could say that if you believe the entire judicial system is corrupt, which it isn't, and the trial court made a decision.
I did read the judge's ruling, and the judge said, look, they're both good parents, there should be joint custody, but it's a question of the husband lives in Chicago where he has this job, he's the breadwinner, it's 700 miles away. She could get up and move, he couldn't move. She is saying, well, look, why should I have to make a decision between my health and my kids?
Well, she doesn't have to. She clearly can move to Chicago. This is a terrible economy. She has no job. He's the sole breadwinner for the family. They're still married. And if he moves to North Carolina, he'll lose his job, and then nobody has any money, and she loses her health care because my client is maintaining health insurance so she could get the important cancer care treatment she's receiving. It's very clear. The judge made the decision based on what's in the best interest of the children.
We should point out that because this is an ongoing case, Jeffery is not allowed to talk directly to Elena or ask any direct questions. But is your client able to take care of the kids? Is he there?
My client is not only able to take care of the kids, he's a great father. He's a loving father, and he's doing a great job. And the mom should move to the Chicagoland area and help out and co-parent.
But isn't there? I mean, there must be like a babysitter who's taking care of the kids all day while he's working.
Right. He has everything under control. But I want to address a critical issue. One of the best cancer care treatment facilities in the world is in Chicago. And she could come to Chicago and access that facility.
But isn't the babysitter basically raising the kids?
The mother, no, my client is raising the kids. And if what's he going to do? Just quit his job? She loses her cancer care treatment. They can't put food on the table.
But he is gone during the day.
Well, he has to go to work, and the children are taken care of.
But they do have a mom who could take care of them all day.
She is welcome to take care of the children, and the judge even recommended that she move to Chicago and do that. All I could say is the mother here would be an excellent publicist because she's put a spin on this that has captured the intention of the whole audience.
What is the spin? She's
You're
a good mother.
Judge.
Yes, I am.
And if you read that trial court decision, you know what the real reason was why for the custody decision. First of all, the judge decided that the mother was the least likely parent to encourage frequent and continuing contact between the children and the dad, the other parent.
The judge did say that the husband was more likely to encourage contact with the other parent.
And you know, Anderson, unfortunately, that's one of the things that courts look at greatly. Who the parent is who will facilitate a better connection between the children and the other parent.
Bad decisions.
She made bad decisions. The worst decision is the fact that she's got to deal with a terminal illness. But we don't know how far that illness is.
The children are losing a mother because the mother isn't moving to Chicago.
The mother's lifeline is at Duke. End of the story.
The mother at least needs to go to Chicago and visit.
Thank you, Elena. Thank you for coming on and talking to us, and Jeffrey as well, from representing your client.